This is video number 2 in the series. Video number 1 was for administrators, the people in your organizations that's supposed to integrate Zoho 1 with RingCentral. And that was the previous video. In the top, I will have a link to this video. So if you didn't do it, do not proceed with this video because it won't work. So first of all, you need to integrate RingCentral with Zoho 1. This video will be distributed to every employee in your company. Every person that is going to use RingCentral is supposed to take the steps that I'm going to show you right now. We are going to cover integrating CRM with RingCentral on the employee level, how to integrate and install the desktop and mobile applications, how to work with the quote preferences, and so on. We'll have a bunch of stuff being covered in this session. If you will Google RingCentral Chrome extension, the first not paid result will be RingCentral for Google. Okay, you will need to click on it. You will need to click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Whenever the extension will be added, it will ask you to connect the extension. On the top, I will have this small icon of the extensions. I will click on it and then I will pin the RingCentral for Google. And then when you click on it, it will ask you to authenticate. So I will click on the authentication. I will do it using the Google services because it's already configured on my side, simpler, but you can do it in any way that you like. You need to configure how phone calls are going to be created from your system and accept. Okay, and now the system asks you for allow you to use the microphone for the extension. And let's write on skip. In this case, there are different integration types with different websites. I chose the third one. Show this extension on all the websites except my block list. I don't have any block list, so it's all good. And I will click on done. And now you will see that the extension is configured. This is one. Number 2, you will need to go to Google and write RingCentral download. And you will need to go to the download the RingCentral app for desktop and mobile. And then if you are on Mac or Windows, you will choose the correct one and you will install it. So you will click and install. Whenever you're installing, and again, the installation is just step by step. You just need to install, you need to authenticate with RingCentral, and then it will open basically this screen. Next, we are going to configure the CRM side. On the bottom right, you will see the phone icon. If you don't see the phone icon, it means that your administrator did not configure RingCentral with Zoho 1. Okay, if you don't see the phone icon. If you do, you can proceed. Now, in the description below, I will have a link to how to install the admin side, which is the basic. It's lesson number 1. Click on the phone and click on Do Not Show Call Pop-up. And in the preferences, select the RingCentral desktop application and click on Save. When it says Preferences Saved, click on Refresh. And now you should see this icon. Once you click on it for the first time, the system will ask you which application do you want to use whenever you are clicking on the phone icon. And then you will need to select the RingCentral application. Okay? And then also click Always Use this app and click on OK. The system will do its magic. Let's click here on Stop. Let's refresh the page and let's give it a try. Okay, it will have here this link. I will click on it. It will open the application. The application is calling me. Okay, and now we are communicating. Whenever this phone call ends, okay, now this phone call will be logged in the closed activities. Okay, so you will have here the 7th one, and this is the one. Now, when I will call my number, okay, so now you see that the app is kicking in, and now I can talk, everything is being recorded, everything is perfect. Let's click on stop. Let's go to my previous call as an example, and you will see that I have here all the information and also the voice recording of this call. Everything is in one place. So this is the first step of the phone calls. This is how you integrate the phone calls, how you download all the applications that you need, and how you run phone calls. Next, we are going to have the third video. This video will show you how to use text messages back and forth with customers using our ABR RingCentral to Zoho CRM extension.